Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video that I'm going to be filming in my new little background space. I feel like a real YouTuber now, like I legit have made it. And I got a new camera. Your girl ain't making no money yet to be affording those expensive cameras, but I have a husband. It's for me to have all the latest, greatest in cell phones. So I have the Galaxy S10 and that's what I'm recording on now. So let's get to what this video is about. I have gotten my little hands on the new Anastasia Dipbrow Gel. And I picked it up in the color chocolate because that's the color that I use in the dip brow. I absolutely love Anastasia pomades, their brow gels. I love everything about them in regards to the brow products. So of course, when I seen that this was something new, I had to jump on it. So let's read a little bit of the specs on what this is. I've heard that they haven't came out with any new brow products in like 3 years. So this is something new. So this comes in 11 different shades. It is supposed to be smudge proof, long lasting. It's a gel formula. It is about $18 if you get it from like Ulta. I grabbed mine from Ulta. You can order it online as well. So yeah, I'm excited to try this because I, as you can see, have not opened it yet. I've had this in my possession for probably like a week now. So I'm hella excited. You know, I love a good brow product. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty, gold. And it has a tiny little spoolie on there. It looks a little watery, if you guys can see, but you know, we're gonna try it. So you can see I have nothing on my face. I just have foundation and that is it. So let me go ahead and put on my concealer because I usually put that up around my eyebrows, and powder to set it. And I have a new concealer as well that I've been using. It is from Revolution Makeup. I am really loving their stuff. I also use their highlighting palette. This bitch is amazing. I love this highlighting palette. And they have a whole shit ton of new things that they're coming out with, and they're super affordable. I wanna say this was like $14 and this was like $6 or $7 at Ulta. And they have a really good shade range as well. They have foundation, they have makeup, like eyeshadow palette. So I definitely want to try more of the Makeup Revolution. But yeah, let me go ahead and just put on my concealer real quick. And you guys have seen me do this before, so I might just speed through this. I should have already done it, but you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that with my translucent Laura Mercier, is that upside down? Translucent powder, one of my favorite powders, although she is a little pricey. I do love my other RCMA powder, the setting powder. I love that, but I just don't have any right now. I need to order some. But this stuff I absolutely love, so I use it all the time. Okay, so I'm looking a little dry, a little ashy, but that'll all fix itself when I'm done. I have not watched any videos on how to apply this. I just really wanted to try it out with you guys first to see how it works. Yeah, we can see my eyebrows are not the thickest, but they're not super thin either. I take pride in how I grew them out. It took forever to grow them out. I actually grew them out right before my wedding, like 6 months before I started growing them. Like, I'm not gonna have these tiny, thinty ass eyebrows in my wedding pictures. They have come a long way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just take some of this on the brush. And you can see, like I said, it's a little watery. So I don't know, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in like I would like a regular brow pomade, or you know how I regularly do my eyebrows. Just sort of comb it in. So that is the first little application of it. I'm wondering if you could use this on a, you know, just a regular little brow brush, because this brush, I feel like it's already making a little bit of a mess. It's small enough, but I feel like you're not gonna get like a really clean brow if you like that. Like you can see there's a little bit of mess there. So I'm definitely gonna need to clean that up with a Q-tip. But let's go ahead and get this on first, and then I'll figure out maybe a different way to use it on the other brow. I guess I should have watched some tutorials on how to do this one before I started, but you know, who got time for that? So I definitely like the color of it. It matches the other one pretty well, like it's the same color as the dip brow is. And it seems to be drying pretty quickly. So you have to work fast. If you're slow with your brows, this might be an issue. Okay, so far that is what it's looking like. And I'm not super excited about how messy it's sort of looking. I like my brows to be a lot more controlled, if that makes any sense. But the product itself feels really, really nice. So I'm definitely having some issues there in the front. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a big fan of the little brush, but I think I'm gonna go ahead, just use like an actual brow brush, dipping that into the product and seeing how that works. I don't know, I'm just not a huge fan of like brushes for like actual brows. Like I like using them to comb the product through, but I don't really care for them in regards to, you know, doing the entire brow. But I do like the way that it sticks. It feels like it's basically dry already. You can see just a little tiny bit there, but it's basically dry. But it's a little messy, if you guys can see that. Go ahead and do the other brow real quick using an actual brow brush. Let me see if I can find one up here. I'll just use this is actually an Anastasia brow brush. This is their actual brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for the other eyebrow and see how that works. So let me go ahead and put this little brush somewhere so I don't drop it and spill it everywhere. Can I set her on? I'm just literally grabbing product off the actual little spoolie there with the brush. I'm gonna wipe it off just a little on the back of my hand so that it's controlled. And then I have excess there. I'm gonna use my regular spoolie and start filling it in with the brush. Sorry if you guys can't see me, the angle's a little funky on this eyebrow. Let me pull this over here so you guys can see better. Like I said, it definitely dries very quickly. So you have to be fast about it. And I don't know if I like that. I like taking my time with my eyebrows, so. I'm gonna get a little more off of the brush. This is definitely a product that I'm gonna have to try a few different times. As of right now, I'm not sure how I like it. It does look like and feel like it's gonna stay put, like it's not gonna go anywhere once it's on my face, but I just need to figure out how it works best for me, because using the little brush that it comes with is hella messy. I guess maybe I'll just have to practice. If you guys are already really good at doing brows and you guys want to try something else, I recommend you maybe try this to see how you guys like it. Or if you guys have used this already, let me know in the comments below how you've used it, if you like it, how it works for you. But I feel like if you're newer to brows and you're not super skilled at doing your brows just yet, I don't know if this would be a product that'd be easy for you to use. Like I said, I do love Anastasia Dipbrow. Their pomade's amazing. I use it, I've been using it for years. But this definitely is gonna take me some practice. Yeah, because I don't know about this. I plan on trying to use this for the next several days in a row to see how it works. The description box of this video, and I will let you guys know, how it worked best for me, or, my final thoughts on it. But as of right now, I don't know. I do like the way it looks though. I like the color. And it looks like she definitely isn't going anywhere, so that's good. I just got to figure out how it works best. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post. And also remember to comment below if you guys have used this already. maybe you could give me some pointers because as of right now, I don't know what I'm doing with this. But yeah, thank you guys. I will see you all next time.